Today we have a lot of animals, some farm animals and some wild animals.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
Let's learn their names one by one. The first animal is a rooster, a deer. This is a deer.
There, here, there, everywhere.
The next animal is a tiger. This is a tiger.
Old
A
MacDonald
tiger.
had a farm.
The next animal is a panda. This is a panda.
With a here and a there.
The next animal is
Old MacDonald had a farm.
the next point is elephant. This is elephant. Elephant is a bird animal.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
A dog. This is a dog.
He had a dog.
The next animal is a lion. A lion is the king of forest.
Old MacDonald had a
A
farm.
hen. This is a hen. The next animal is a rabbit. This is a rabbit.
He had some ducks.
A lioness. This is a lioness.
Old MacDonald had a farm.
The next animal